Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nivedita. I'm a physician and I'm a mother of a 5-year-old and a 5-month-old. And initially, whenever someone told me that they meditate, I used to be like, oh my god, they're so boring. It never seemed fun to me. Initially, my past self was very impulsive and very anxious. That started getting in the way of my relationship with my family and friends. That's when I decided that this has to stop. I need to control my anxiety and my emotions, and I started googling how to reduce the anxiety levels. That's when I learned how to meditate, and ever since then, since the past 3 years, I've been meditating every single day, like almost, and that has given me immense amount of results. They're phenomenal. Like it affects all the areas of your life. My relationships are better. I started exercising more. I started eating healthier, and my relationship with my kids are better. If I'm in a conflict, I'll have clarity as to what to do. I take a step back and imagine how my higher self would react and react accordingly or act accordingly. And I'm going to show you how I started meditating. You can do it too. So you need to sit in a comfortable position in a place where there is no distraction, and switch on some mild instrumental music in the background with a lower volume, and put an alarm for 2 minutes. I meditate for 20 minutes. Initially, to start with, you can put an alarm for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes are done, once the alarm goes off, you can open your eyes. So once you close your eyes, start chanting a mantra. The mantra can be anything. It can be Om for you. I use the word release. Why the word release is because to command my brain to focus and release all the thoughts which come in my way, or to release any tension which you're feeling in your body. So initially you might not feel anything once you start meditating, but as days go by, if you're consistent with the practice, once weeks go by, you'll find that you'll reach a spot when there's complete bliss. I can't even explain what kind of a feeling this is. It's like you're flying. It's like when you're taking a very good night's nap and you're waking up fully, completely refreshed. And you feel like staying in this state forever and ever. Initially, to start with, you might even go to sleep. So it's okay, perfectly fine. Go ahead, take a nap. And initially, to start with, you'll have a lot of thoughts interrupting, and you'll find it hard to go back from the thought, leave the thought there, and get back to the word release. But as days go by, you'll find it easier and easier to rein your brain back and focus on the word release or whatever mantra you're saying. And as days go by, even the number of thoughts which are coming in also become lesser and lesser, and you reach a state of bliss. So whenever I'm having a hard day at work and I come home from the hospital, I close my eyes for 5 minutes and meditate. And when I open my eyes, I'm like super refreshed and super charged to play with my kids or do something with my kids. So the results which meditation has given me is phenomenal. It's a high leverage habit. So I urge you to also start meditating and reap the benefits. Thank you.